for our children's moment. Thanks so much for joining me. So today's message is about hope. And I think that's such a fitting topic for Trinity at this moment in time, because I feel like Trinity is moving out of a season of challenges and introspection and moving into a season of hope and action. And as that momentum builds, the beautiful, miraculous thing about hope is that as we recognize the need outward and then look inward for how to respond to it, and then give hope, we then are filled with hope ourselves. So it's very reciprocal. So I just wanted to encourage everyone to sign cards and draw colorful pictures and give hope to Bernie. I'm reminded of the biblical passage, "For I was in prison and you came to me." And I know that for myself, when I think about people and groups that I want to pray for or that I feel like need prayer or are worthy of prayer, I often overlook the prisoners. So this was a really great reminder for me. So I would encourage everyone to do that. As I made the announcement for that in our newsletter, I found this really, I thought really cute image of this paper airplane flying over a barbed wire prison wall with a message of hope. And I feel like that is what Trinity's offering to Bernie, and allowing that to then ripple outward to include all of our brothers and sisters who are in prison through our special offering this week to help provide for that relief for Texas prisoners. So that picture of that paper airplane reminded me of this paper airplane that I know how to make, and I wanted to teach you how to make it. And it has like a little hopeful surprise in it. So I have extra paper, but I'm just going to show you all really quick how to make this very simple paper airplane. So here's our paper airplane, just like a symbol of hope, reaching outward to the prisoners, but also has an interesting surprise to it.
Why are you doing that?
I'll show you. Just to create a symbol of hope. What do you think it's going to be?
It looks like a rocket.
It does. So,
Oh, that's so cool.
so
You're a magician. You are a magician.
we're kind of sending our love to Bernie through the letters and cards, but also kind of sending Trinity to him as well.
Are you a magician?
But I can show you how to do this too, so you'll be able to make this. Will you pray with me? Dear God, thank you for hope. Let us claim and proclaim it. But more importantly, let us act